What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Big Ari and you guys are in store for a new PC build. This one is actually going to be my PC. I'm upgrading my current system to this system, and I thought since Xbox Series X has been released, since PlayStation 5 is set to be released, I thought let me go and upgrade this bad boy into a next gen PC. As you guys can see, I got some high-end components here, and we got ourselves an ROG RTX 3090 from Asus. STRIX edition, overclocked. It's got everything, so I'm really excited. Got my hands on this. I actually had to camp out from Micro Center for a couple days. As you guys might have seen on Bitwit's video, I was actually on his video, #1 in line. Now we'll be throwing a water block on this. I'm just waiting for the water block to come, but once the water block comes, it's set and done. So let's talk about what else components I have that I'll be using in this machine. First off, chassis. We'll be using Lian Li's 011 Dynamic XL. This is a beast of a chassis. It's a white version, front tempered glass panel, side tempered glass panel. It's got ample room for cable management. It's got everything in the work, and we'll be putting an Asus ROG Maximus 12 motherboard inside this chassis. This is a Z490 motherboard. It's got great voltage control for the VRMs. It's a beast of an overclocker, and I'm really excited to pair it with the Intel i9 10900K, another great CPU. This one actually, I've overclocked this CPU to 5.2 gigahertz on a custom water cooled system, so I'm really excited to see how far I can push it. Maybe I can push it a little bit higher, but nonetheless, I'm really happy to use this CPU in conjunction with all these other high-end components. Like I said, we got the Asus ROG STRIX. This is a 3090 edition. This is overclocked as well, so we're just waiting for a water block so we can go ahead and install this on the video card and then slap it inside the PC case. Memory, we're going to be using Corsairs Dominator Platinum RGB White Edition. This is a 3200 megahertz frequency with a CL16 rating. So guys, this is pretty much going to be like almost close to a white system, maybe kind of a stormtrooper look. I've never built something like that. I've always usually stick to my typical choice color, which is black, but I thought, you know what, new year 2020 hasn't been so hot, so let's start 2021 with something fresh and something nice. Power supply, Corsairs AX 1600i. This is a titanium rated power supply, 1600 watts, very efficient. I've used Corsair in the past, really love them. They got great warranty, and hasn't died on me, so why not use something really powerful in the system. Distro plate. This is the 011 Dynamic distro plate from EK. First time going to be using a distro plate in a long time. I haven't used a distro plate since my fourth video or third video, which was almost 7-8 months ago. Super excited to use this distro plate. Plus, I think it's going to look really nice since it's going to be slapped onto the side. You'll be able to see all the nice fluids going through, and it's probably pretty much going to make it more easier for me to do my tubing, since we'll be using borosilicate glass. I think, yeah, borosilicate glass. Always hard to say that. Borosilicate glass, 16 millimeter radius as far as the outer diameter goes, and we're going to be using that. I've never worked with glass before, and you guys know me, anything new, I love to try it out. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be a journey, and I think that it's going to be really interesting to see how that goes. As far as the storage goes, I don't have the storage up here, but hold on, let me go grab it.
A few moments later.
So we got the storage. We got 3 Samsung 970 EVO Plus M.2s, 2 terabytes each. I think that's going to be plenty of storage. 6 terabytes just for gaming and some of my editing work, so I think that's going to be plenty. Radiators, we went with 2 radiators, EK XC 360 millimeter and EK SC 360 millimeter. Pretty much all the water cooling components that I'll be using for this system will be coming from EK. I got the EK torque fittings as well, satin, as you guys can see right over here. So this is gonna be a really nice look. Also, for the fluid, we're going to be using the Mystic Fog fluid, and honestly, I've seen that in action. I think it just looks really nice. It's kind of like a white look, but kind of transparent, and it goes well with RGB. Since you guys know I love RGB, that's going to be the highlight of this PC. Talking about RGBs, we're also going to be throwing in Corsair LL120 fans in white. We're going to have 7 of those bad boys in this system, and trust me guys, when I tell you RGB is the way I go, and I just feel like we need options. I'm a versatile guy. I like like options. If I don't like RGB, I can turn it off, or I can change it to a static color of my choice. So why not have options? I know a lot of people like to go with those stealthy looks, those gunmetal, those black looks, and I'm not hating, but I like options and I like to have, you know, color schemes. So that's what it is, guys. Pretty much these are going to be my components that'll be going inside the system. I'm already excited to start on it, so let's get to building.
Ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.